Hi guys, my name is Manny. I've just returned back from the Soni and Sam practical implantology course. I've been placing implants personally myself for a few years. However, I wanted to come on the course to develop on my foundation of information. I would highly recommend this course to all those who are new on their implant journey. If you've not even placed a single implant in your life and you just want to get to grips with what it is and find out if implants are for you. The most amazing thing is the support network of the mentors, Soni, Sam, Azhar, and the various other people who are present on the course to support us. Good luck with your journeys otherwise, and I'm sure we will see you soon in some way, shape or form. The dental world is small. Bye.